Welcome to my channel and welcome to my new video. Here I talk about a subject how to make money with a device or a laptop from home as a part-time or a full-time. With this future, lots of applications and websites are available in the markets. But here I introduce 100% genuine and trustable applications. Here I talk about application which is Glowroad. What is Glowroad? Glowroad is a reselling application, same like Misho. But Glowroad they provides more features which is more comfortable and easy to use. We can earn more than 2000 rupees per day if we use the proper techniques and the tricks. Now I will show you how to use this application and after that I will tell you how to find the genuine customers.
Look at the screen. Here you can see the Glowroad application here. The application which we can download from the Play Store, or you can install the application from the link which I given in the description. Now I am going to open the Glowroad here. See, this is the interface of the Glowroad. Here I will show you the two features. The number one is how to order the product and how to add our margin from the customer. See here, I select one product. This is Lucky Bamboo plant. Now this image I already showed to my customer and he was more interested in this. So now I am going to order this one for my customer. See, I press buy now button. Before that I will remove one product which I added before in my cart. See the product price is 250 rupees. Now see 226 rupees for the product price. Now I am going to add the final customer price is 300 rupees, which means I already told to the customer the product price is 300 rupees. So you can see the margin here, 74 rupees is the margin, which means after deliver this product the margin will be credited to our bank account. At the same time I would like to tell you one thing, the product packing, dispatching and sourcing, everything will be done by the supplier, and the Glowroad will be take care all kind of logistics and other returning charges and all. We no need to worry about that. Now see, we press on the next button. Now you need to add the customer, which means your customer full address. Remember that the address must be filled in all the columns, otherwise the product, there is a chance to return the product. Now see this, automatically the product will be delivered to the customer. See, this is our duty, we are just a mediators. Now I will show you the next feature, that is my shop. My shop means in Glowroad we can create our shop and we can share our shop to our friend circle or any social media platforms and all, and when the customer buy the items from our shop we will get our margin which we added to the product. I will show you, just please see on the bottom we can see my shop option. Here I already created the shop for me. If you are new you will get a option to create the shop. Once you create the shop, just see this, this is my shop. Here this is my shop and you need to give the cover picture and the shop name and shop description and all. Here you can see the link, you can copy the link and share to our WhatsApp or any other social media platforms, so the customer they can get the products from our shop. So If you need to add the product to our shop, I will show you how to do that. Just select any products, for example home decor, and see, I select this product, I select this product. You can see here, see here there's two options. One is download image, second is add to beautiful artificial flowers. It means this is my shop. Just add to my shop, see the product price, and you can enter the find the price. For example, 149 is the product price. I'm going to enter 250 rupees, so the margin is 101 rupees. So the item automatically will be added to the our shop. So when we share this shop link, the customer can get the products from us, and automatically the margin will be credited to your account. Now in the settings, you need to remember one thing. We need to provide our bank account. See here, we need to provide our bank account, and you can check the earnings from here. See the my earnings button. Just if you press it on this, you can see all our earnings, our sales and all. So this is the options I have showed you in the glow rod.
Now, we have seen that how to use this application. Now, the big challenge is how to find the genuine customers for our products. Here, I suggest to use the Facebook paid promotion. This is the easiest way to find the genuine customers for our products. In the next video, I will show you how to use the Facebook ads. And thanks for watching the video, and see you in the next video. Please kindly support my channel. Thank you.